Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing. You guys can check them out. They have Prime Day deals going on now. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Definitely take advantage of the sales. And here we go. You get one of these. And thank you guys for sending me this for review. Ooh, baby. This is coming from... Who is this coming from? It looks like RG52MINI. Ooh, here we go. Built-in dual 3D joysticks, vibrant ambient lighting, Hale linear trigger, OTG wireless joystick support, 5,000 mAh battery capacity, 8 hours of battery life. That looks sweet. Kind of looks like a Steam Deck or that Rogue Xbox. I think this has like 22,000 games on it already loaded, and they got different models, sizes. All I gotta do is click that link down below, check it out. So a lot of people are going back to the old school days, my era, playing video games, which is so much better. I mean, the games now are sweet, but the price and everything is getting out of hand. They're just gouging us left and right with the subscriptions, and then like the 2K packs and all that stuff. It is insane. So, if you guys are looking for something to pass by time at work or wherever you decide to game at, on a plane, in the back seat of the car, this is a good one to get. Super lightweight. What is this? Some kind of protective. Whoa, look at this green. It's already lit up. Sega collections, Nintendo, 5,000 games. All games. Whoa, PSP portable. Favorites. Van Buren Neil. Oh, arcade. Atari 2600. That's old school. Capcom. Capcom 2. Capcom 3. PC Engine. Whoa. There we go. Sega. Sega Game Gear. Whoa. Dreamcast. Neo Geo. Neo Geo Pocket. PlayStation. PlayStation Portable. All games. This feels good too, to be honest. God damn. This is sick. We got TF card right there. I'm sure you could add your other TF cards. Speaker. Really nice grip. Buttons right there. Yeah, this is awesome, guys. I didn't even play it. I don't think Nintendo has... Whoa. Baseball. I don't think they have any copyrighted music. Maybe Mario might. Now they have my wrestling game. The old school WWF. Oh, this is my favorite one too. Ice hockey. Classic game. Robot Rocket Man. Silent Hunter. Slot machines. Super Fight. Table tennis. Tennis ball. Never Launched. Champion Soccer. So these are all the imports. Has a little art right there. This is nice, really. Oh yeah, one of my faves. Little Mermaid. I remember playing that when I was young. Man, this brings me back. Man, that's another good one. Batman, Batter Up. I don't think I ever played that one. Battleship, Battletoads. Love Battletoads. Beavis and Butthead. That was cool. Bernstein Bears. Bonkers. Brains. Dracula. Bubble. Holy moly. And you can hook this up to your big screen and everything. So you're good to go. Captain America. Don't worry, guys. I will definitely do a test run. What is this one? Championship Hockey. I never played that one. I wonder if they have EC Dub for the wrestling one. Chuck Rock. That's classic. Chuck Rock 2. Cliffhanger. Clutch Hitter. That looks sweet. Holy moly. Daffy Duck. Deep Duck. I mean, this is hours, endless. Echo the Dolphin. Holyfield Boxing, I remember playing that. F1. It is racing season. FIFA World Cup season. FIFA 96 Classic. Foreman, another one. R.I.P. George. Whoa. Oops. Oh, man. God of War. Holy moly. Naruto. That probably has copyright. Ooh. I think that has copyright because of the music. Like I said, I gotta be really careful with playing the audio. Three Ninjas Get Back. I remember that movie. These are one of my favorites. 1941, 1942, 43. I think I played 43 a lot in the arcade. Like at Pizza Hut. Jesus. 88 games. Little track and field type thing. Summer games. I mean, guys, it's right here. Amazing. Entry, Barbarian. You want to go back. Hit the back button right there. There is a screen protector on it, so. What's going on here? Well, ATF. We'll just take a look at this one. Show you guys a little quick demo. Oh no. Volume right here. God, I hope they'll cover me. Copyright. Analyzing war data. See, everything loads up fine. Everything works. But this thing is really, really nice feel. Got the bumpers right there, feeling good. Comes with the charging kit right there. So TF card, aux, Type C. What? Awesome color. And like I said, they got other colors to choose from. I don't even know what the heck this is. Oh man. How do I go back? Okay, you hit that button to go back. Ooh, Barbarian. And now I could go, RoboCop. UK version. And this brings back so many memories. But definitely thank you guys for sending me this unit. Sorry I forgot your guys' name. But this thing is amazing. Look at that. Nice screen too. Really clear. I'm loving this one. Oh, look at that. Boom. Oh. Buttons right there. Side. The dog. This might take a minute to load up. Try it again. Okay, there we go. On RoboCop. Oh no, we got the dog again. Who is the dog? Bounty hunter? Start. There's start. There's select. And that's home. And that's back. Come on. Wow, look at this. Oh yeah. So like I said, definitely check out the other models they have. But right now, for this one, the link will be down below. You can browse around. It takes a few seconds. I know they got a little higher model version than this, but this is what they had to offer, so I took it. Really nice. Very happy. Why is this not loading up? Come on. Alright, we'll try something else. Because that one's being a little booger. Yeah, these were my... Oh man, I hit the wrong button again. Start. Start right there. Insert coin. Okay. Hello. Oh yeah. I'm inserting my coin. Oh, there we go. Shoot, there it is. Oh, shoot. It's kind of hard doing this while recording a video. Get that fool. Yeah, this is definitely one of my favorites. We had a lot of sweet arcades of those days. Ah. Oh, Nelly. Oh, shoot. Come on, man. Oh, game over. Alright, game over. That means game over. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Link down below. Have a great day. This will be a perfect Father's Day gift. Also, stocking stuffers. Holiday season's coming up fast, guys. So stay ahead of the curve. Alright, be safe.